Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020, and today's topic will be simple past. When do we use a simple past tense? We use a simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. We also use some time expressions, such as in 1990, yesterday, ago, last month, last week, and last year. Here we have some examples. I saw Maria yesterday. Last Friday, the students took their spelling and vocabulary test. They got married 2 years ago. In these examples, yesterday, last Friday, and 2 years ago are the time expressions. How do we form the simple past tense? English has two types of verb in past tense, which are regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs, we only need to add ed at the end of the verb. Here we have some examples. Walk, study, cried, and lived. As we add ed, walk goes to walked, study goes to studied, cry to cried, and live to lived. For irregular verbs, they are the one who change their form. Here we have another example. Have goes to had, sing to sang, understand to understood, go to went, and be to was and were. Structures. Remember, when we talk about structures in English, we have three different, which are affirmative, negative, and just no question. Let's start with the affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentences, the structure, we need to start with the noun plus a past verb and the complement at the end. For regular verbs, use the ed form of the verb in a sentence. We have the examples. When I was a child, I played the piano and Donna visited Paris. For irregular verbs, use the correct past tense form in affirmative sentence. Here we have three examples. Last week, which is a time expression, I sent you a letter. The students had an English exam and they did a great job. In these three last examples, we have sent, had, and did as irregular verbs. In negative sentences, we need to add the auxiliary. Remember, when we talk about simple past, we only have one auxiliary, which is did. The structure, noun plus didn't or did not plus present verb plus complement. Did not or didn't, you can use any of both, plus a present verb. Here we have the example. I did not visit London. Or you can also say, I didn't visit London. Here we have another example. I went to work yesterday. This sentence is affirmative. Why? Because we have the verb went, which is in past. The negative sentence will be, I didn't go to work yesterday. We know it is a negative sentence because we have didn't plus the present verb, which is go. Next, we have the just no question. The structure. We need to start the question with the auxiliary, which is did, plus noun, plus present verb, plus the complement. Here we have three different examples. Did he go to work yesterday? Yes, he did, or no, he didn't as answer. Remember, with just no questions, We only look for yes or no as answer. We're not looking for specific information. Did the students have an English exam? Yes, they did, or no, they didn't. And did you send a letter? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay, guys, now let's move on to the instructions for your activities. Activity 1 and activity 2. First activity, change the present verbs in parentheses to simple past to complete the stories. You have two different stories. Instructions in the same exercise, in the same activity. To complete it, you need to use blue for regular verbs and green for irregular verbs. Activity 2. First, you need to read the text. Exercise B. Answer the following true or false questions. Easy for you guys. And the last exercise, which is exercise C, you have to identify the past verbs in the reading, obviously the reading from exercise A, and classify the verbs in the following chart, the chart that you will have on the file. You need to classify them according to regular or irregular verbs. And that's it, guys. See you in a couple weeks and take care. Bye.